Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. In previous videos, we identified the $63,000 to $66,000 region as the key area where we expected the bears to step back in. Around $65,000, multiple technical resistance levels converged, including the 50-day EMA, the 50-month EMA, and the major weekly resistance level. When several important technical levels align, they often create a strong resistance zone. Yesterday, Bitcoin swept liquidity below recent lows before recovering and closing the day with a green candle. The drop came after reports that Michael Saylor's company had sold a portion of its Bitcoin holdings. The market initially reacted with uncertainty as traders tried to assess whether this was a one-off event or the beginning of a larger distribution. The concern is straightforward. If Bitcoin continues trading below the company's average acquisition cost, there could be increasing pressure to raise liquidity through additional share issuance, asset sales, or other financing decisions. According to the reports, roughly 60 million master shares were sold to acquire approximately 177,000 Bitcoin. This recent sale doesn't necessarily mean more selling is coming, but it has raised concerns that more Bitcoin could be sold if the market keeps getting worse. Whether those fears prove justified remains to be seen, but the uncertainty has added another layer of caution to an already weak technical backdrop. As long as Bitcoin remains below the $63,000 to $66,000 resistance zone, the bearish scenario remains intact, and the probability of a move toward the larger liquidity cluster around $57,000 continues to increase. And that's why I posted on X. SOPR by cost basis band still hasn't printed a true D plus spike. The absence of a D plus spike suggests one thing: the market hasn't fully capitulated yet. This chart, called Relative Unrealized Profit and Loss by Cohort, has been a very good indicator of when to get into Bitcoin, and we still have some time before starting to accumulate. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!